Hi, this is Pat with Electric Bike Paradise, showing off my new gear, my new helmet, my new bike, and it has a speedometer on it. Hope you get one too. I bought my bike at Electric Bike Paradise. The adventure is waiting for you too.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.